This is question 19 and it's a question involving algebra and expanding brackets and also factorising. So what we can see in the first part, part A, we've got to expand x and then open bracket x minus 4. So that just means that the x on the outside is multiplying everything on the inside. So first of all, I'm going to go x times x, and that's going to give me x squared. And then I'm going to go x times negative 4. So the minus there is very important. And that's going to give me minus 4x. So that's the answer to the first part. For factorisation on part B, we're looking for a number that's going to go into both parts, and then we're going to put it into a bracket. So we can see that the number that goes into both 15y and minus 10 is 5. So we can take 5, put that outside a bracket, and then inside the bracket we've got to put what we'd have to multiply the 5 by to take us back to where we were. So if we call this one 3y, the first part of the bracket, we can see that 5 times 3y would take us to 15y. So that's right for the first part. And then the second part, we're going to have to put minus 2 because 5 times minus 2 would give us minus 10. So that's the second part done, that's part B. And in part C, we've got an equation now. So we've got to solve this and find the value for f. So the first thing that I could do is multiply out the brackets. There are a couple of ways or a couple of approaches we could take to this. So I'm going to multiply out the brackets. So I'm going to say 7 times f, first of all, would give me 7f. And then 7 times negative 5. 7 times 5 is 35, so that's minus 35. And then that's still equal to 28. And then what we can do is we can try and get the f on its own. To start off with, what we're going to do is we're going to add 35 to both sides. So we have to do the same thing to both sides when we've got an equation, and then it's still balanced. So that means that 7f is going to equal, because the 35's cancel on here, on the left-hand side of the equals 28 plus 35, which is 63. And then if we want to find what f is, because the 7 is multiplying the f, we then need to divide both sides by 7. So if we do that, we can divide by 7 there and divide by 7 there. The 7's will cancel here. And then we've got f equals 63 divided by 7, which means that f equals 9, because 63 divided by 7 is 9. And that's it. That's the final part of the question done, f equals 9. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and if it has, please consider subscribing to our channel and also giving the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.